Man, the wind is really against us today. Watch out, get in.
It's doing a lot better, see?
Oh yeah, we're climbing. The airplane did fly, it flew well, but we're going back to the drawing board, trying to make something that the kids can actually fly. And I only have one foam board to make it with. You ready? All right, Joe, you ready? Here we go. Woo, yeah.
I turn it up and then turn it back on.
Whoa, whoa, oh no, get it, good, good. Oh my goodness, keep it going.
See?
Oh man. Oh, it's done, it's done. Oh, okay, we're going in.
See, I told you. I'm going up.
Oh, it's good.
On.
Okay, we're going again. Whoa, the wind. Oh no, we're done. Go. Whoa, the wind is flying against us. Look at this, we're not even moving really. Oh boy, oh boy, oh Jenna, oh boy.
See?
Whoa. Oh no, we're dying, Jenna, no! You're gonna kill us. All right, we're gonna try to bring it in for a landing, okay? We're gonna land it right behind us over here. All right, ready? Yeah! That was awesome. Wait, oh, okay. High five to the camera. Go get it, go get it. That works really well.
Daddy, what do you think about it?
I think it's working a lot better. It flies really smooth. And what's cool is we completely made this design up.
That means we can make up whatever we want to.
I don't know if that's what that means, but it's definitely good. It's definitely good.
That's really good because we did even listen to a video.
Yeah, I know. We just totally made this up, right?
Yeah.
So cool. I'm a little bit warm. Can you cool me off? Can you turn up the propeller?
Yeah.
You got my hat. All right, time to go. We'll see you later on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And if you're interested in the plans for this homemade, completely scratch-built airplane that we put together, we'd love to put plans online.
See you next adventure.
Good job. All right, let's go. Now it's time to swim.
How do you turn this thing off?